Welcome ladies and gentlemen to another quick unboxing on Orica's 3.5-inch external hard drive enclosure. My name is Vincent from Maverick Gaming. Let's take a quick look in what's in the box. As we flip it open, we get the enclosure itself. As in our previous video, this version is for a normal 3.5-inch hard disk and the result is a lot bigger. We flip it around and we get our power on button, our hard drive LED indicator, our USB 3.0 input to attach it via USB, and lastly a 12 volt 2 amp power in. Sliding it open, we have a normal SATA 3.0 interface. Included our 12 volt power adapter that plugs in like so, and then our USB 3.0 Type B cable. Lastly, in the box we get a thanks for choosing Orica leaflet, our user manual, and strips of foam for the rattling inside the case. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like down below, share your thoughts with us in the comment section, check out the description on where to get your hands on one of these. As for myself, I'm Vincent from Maverick Gaming, and we will see you in the next one.